Welcome back to day 2 of 30 days of movement in January. Today we are doing a plank. The aim was for a minute, but as you can tell, I was kind of attacked by a dog. So I did about 30-40 seconds. Just go as long as you can. The idea behind this is just to get moving every day this month. So, get up and join in. Comment your exercise that you would like to see me do next, and every new subscriber is one more rep or frame of time if it's like a plank and I have to do something like that. And come back for day 3.